Subclass not inheriting parent class. I'm having trouble with my code. I'm trying to create a subclass which inherits the parent class's attributes and methods, but it doesn't work. Here's what I have so far. Something is wrong with the block of code below, the subclass. Do I have to create the _init_ again? And how do I create a new attribute for the subclass? From reading questions, it sounds like _init_ in the subclass will override the parent class. Is that true if I call it to define another attribute? I want the names from the employee class to be in the reports list. For example, if I have I want reports equals Big Bird, Bert Ernie, but it doesn't work.
You never called the parent class's _init_ function, which is where those attributes are defined. To do this, you'd have to modify the employee class's _init_ function and give the parameters default values. Also, this code will not work at all. Reports' scope is only within the _init_ function, so it will be undefined. You'd have to use self.reports instead of reports. As for your final question, your structure won't really allow you to do this nicely. I would create a third class to handle employees and managers. You'd have to add employees to the business by appending them to the appropriate list objects.
You need to run the superclasses init in the appropriate place, plus capture the unknown to the subclass arguments and pass them up.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.